time na kasi yun, basta November 1st sa amin makakana yung umambon, din malakas hangin. Kaya yan pala yung staff, isang napan sa staff 44. Diba dapat sa bibingan ng mga bayani, ayaw ng magulang nila kasi layong puntahan pa siya ng World War II. Okay. May picture ka noon dito. Tapos wala nang pasyalan ng mga pan. No? Picture muna kayo bago tayo magkwento-kwentuhan. Masyadong mabasa kasi pag yung pantry palaging nababasa. Medyo mabubulok.
Pero meron pa pong ibang part dito.
Yun yung brown dito, natatakpan kasi ng pine tree dyan. Yung may flat, di ba? Sa kuhan din, doon sa side, banda kaliwa. Ganyan na siya.
Tingnan nila yung mga...
Kaya yun.
Ano niyo po?
Ako, ihin na po. Here, this workshop was set up in 2000 by R.G. Stapleton. There's three kinds of pottery. There's earthenware, which is low-fart, yung paso-paso, lutuan na ginagawa sa bigat. Ang stoneware and porcelain ay high-fired, we specialize in stoneware. Niluluto ng 2,350 degrees. Around sagara kunin namin yung clay. Test the temperature na yan. If it's good, wait for it not to collapse. This is the very basic shape. From here, you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes po. Right now, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards, supporting sa kanang kamay. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards. Then, outwards pull it sa pinakataas to make a flower vase. Pwede siyang i-enhance yung shape if you wanted this part to narrow down. Tsaka pwede rin maging pichel pag lagyan ng muso na ganyan. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom. Then we dry it for 1 month, air dried lang. Lagay namin sa oven for 12 hours of firing. Wait for 2 days of cooling down. We bring it out, then apply the glazes. After glaze application, we have to cook it again for 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing in order for the color to come out and for it to become shiny.
Alam ba ni Sir Goodyear? Hindi, kami lang nakakadam.
Okay, tara guys.
Enjoy. Ingatan yung guide nyo daw. Tama. Picture kayo muna. Okay na.
Diba? Matatalas, matutulis. So, double check yung hinawakan saka yung inaatakan, no? Yung pinaka-safest dyan, dapat daw, GPS. Gapang para safe. Yan. Mas okay yung mga tumihan.
Ilan?